The 2015 World Police and Fire Games will be held in Fairfax County. One of three finalists, Fairfax outbid Toronto, Ontario and Winnipeg, Manitoba to win the rights to host the competition, which will take place at venues across the county and greater DC area. The Games are an Olympic-style event held every 2 years throughout the world to promote friendly competition and international relationships among participants. More than 10,000 emergency personnel from 60 countries participate in sporting events ranging from traditional competitions like soccer, basketball, tennis, running, and boxing, to events related to the job performance of public safety personnel, such as stair climbing, shooting, and SWAT exercises.
Good morning to you. Really delighted to be here. A very exciting Monday morning, to say the least. Not nearly as exciting as it was certainly last week when Fairfax County was announced the host for the 2015 World Police and Fire Games. I can think of no better moment than the one we're in right now to really express on behalf of certainly our organization and the entire team that went down, the support not only of all of you, but certainly of this county, but even more importantly, two very instrumental members that are very responsible for this remain in Vancouver, and that is Lieutenant Bleckel and Captain Williams. It is very poignant here as we sit and enjoy the announcement of these games with all of our first responders here today in these chambers. This is an exciting time and an opportunity for us to truly embrace and thank not only the people in public safety here in our own home who do amazing things for us day in and day out, but we indeed have that honor and that privilege in 2015 to express that thanks to the world first responders. So Fairfax County is in for a true mega event that will really put us internationally for many reasons. So thank you for all your support and for Team Fairfax.
Thank you, Barry. And my understanding is that these World Games are the second largest athletic competition in the world, next to the World Olympics. So this is a wonderful feather in Fairfax County's cap for us to be able to host this, and the economic benefits will be tremendous, not just for Fairfax County, but for the region.
The Games are expected to bring an estimated $35 million boost to our region's economy. For more information, visit www.fxva.com.